Hi viewers, my name is Abhinambika Ravi Varman and I teach sustainable living for children, and we also do a lot of workshops for adults for pregnancy and various other things. So you are watching one of my series of videos where I am talking about various topics on parenting, on childcare, and what we do in our program Genius Star. So today what we are going to talk about is Super Brain Yoga. When you do a search in Google called Super Brain Yoga, you will be having a lot of pages where they talk a lot about it, but this is something which our ancient grandfathers or our ancestors have always followed. It's called the Topukarnam in Tamil. What we call and how we do it is we go to Ganapati temple and we do this as a regular ritual. When you go to the temple right now and you see hardly few people do it, and what's the reason, why did our ancestors do this, is the thing that I'm going to talk about in today's video. This Topukarnam actually activates your brain. So today's neuroscience has developed so much, and a lot of neuroscientists have done a lot of research on how this this portion or this particular asana is going to help you. Why did they follow this? There are a lot of people think it is superstition and they ignored it currently, but it is having its own benefits, and that's what we're going to see in today's video. So what actually it does is, when you use your left arm and then try to touch this point, your earlobe, with this thumb and this index finger, and then put your right arm over it and then try to do this and then squat, actually it develops this energy connection between your brain. So your right brain and your left brain gets activated. So through your cross holding, it actually activates your functions between both the brains. It develops you intellectually. So that's the main reason why this was done by our ancestors. How does it connect is, there is something called the life energy or the energy body around our physical body. So this is my physical body. Around me there is an energy body or a life energy which we call prana, and both are interlinked. So if there is anything, any disarm or any illness which I get in my physical body, through my energy body you can actually heal them. And it's so interconnected that when you try to balance these energies and try to balance these chakras, which is what we do in yoga typically, and when you try to balance this, automatically your physical body starts functioning well. So by doing this small asana or this small exercise every day morning for few minutes, actually what you'll be doing is balancing your left and right brain, and intellectually you will grow. Along with that, you also have throat chakras, you have your brain chakras, you have your heart chakras, which also functions well, and your energy overall is balanced. So please do follow this. This is something that is very our own, I would say, something which all our ancestors were doing every day. So please follow this, teach it to your children, and you might here there is a picture where you'll be seeing how our children do it in our class. So please teach them and ask them to do it every day morning preferably, and keep watching all our videos. We have a lot on various topics, so do subscribe to our channel and keep watching our videos. Till then, bye bye.